The James Webb Space Telescope was launched with one mission: to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before, to uncover the earliest light of the universe, and perhaps, just perhaps, reveal the mysteries of creation itself. But no one expected this. In its latest deep-field observations, JWST has captured something so bizarre, so contradictory to everything we thought we understood, that some scientists are now entertaining a truly radical idea. What if what we're seeing isn't from our universe at all? Yes, you heard that correctly. Some of the world's top astrophysicists are warning that JWST may have just glimpsed another universe. It started with a seemingly innocent discovery: galaxies that appeared far too developed, too massive, and too organized for their supposed age. According to the standard cosmological model, the universe is around 13.8 billion years old. The earliest galaxies were supposed to be chaotic, infantile structures just beginning to form. But JWST's ultra-sensitive instruments saw something else: massive galaxies forming just 300 million years after the Big Bang, some with spiral arms, others with dense stellar populations, more typical of galaxies like our own Milky Way, only billions of years too early. How is this even possible? Scientists were baffled. These structures violate the known timeline of cosmic evolution. It's as if entire chapters of the universe's history had been skipped, an evolutionary leap that by all logic shouldn't exist. But the mysteries didn't stop there. As JWST focused on faint, distant points of light, places so remote that their light has taken over 13 billion years to reach us, it began detecting energy signatures that defied known physics. Certain frequencies were missing, others appeared twisted, shifted in inexplicable ways. Spectral data revealed chemical compositions that shouldn't exist in such young galaxies. And more than that, there were shapes, structures, even motion patterns that couldn't be explained by gravity alone. In some cases, light seemed to bend in ways inconsistent with any known gravitational lensing. Something else was interfering with the signal, something we can't explain. And now, a theory once confined to science fiction is gaining traction. What if JWST has stumbled upon a cosmic boundary, a region where our universe overlaps or even collides with another? The multiverse theory, long dismissed as unprovable, suggests our universe is just one bubble in a vast sea of cosmic expansion. Occasionally, these bubbles may touch, and when they do, physics as we know it no longer applies. Dr. Ansel Rivera, a Nobel laureate in astrophysics, recently described JWST's data as the closest thing to empirical evidence of a multiversal interaction we've ever seen. He warns that if these anomalies continue to appear, we may have to rewrite the foundations of modern cosmology. This isn't just about distant galaxies anymore, it's about reality itself. Let's break this down. The core of the problem lies in the age and structure of what JWST observed. These galaxies aren't just old, they're impossibly old. In some cases, they appear more mature than the universe should allow. But that's not the only issue. In a specific field of view, JWST recorded repeating patterns, mirror-like duplications of light across vast distances, arranged in ways that don't correspond to gravitational lensing or cosmic inflation. Some theorists believe this could be the result of light leaking from another spatial dimension, echoing into our universe like a reflection from beyond the veil. Could this be real? Skeptics argue there may be other explanations, perhaps unknown errors in data interpretation or exotic forms of matter we've yet to understand. But as more and more of these anomalies pile up, the simplest explanation starts to sound like the most incredible one. Another universe, different physical laws, a parallel cosmos bleeding into our own. And if that's true, the implications are staggering. What if our universe is just one layer of a vast, multidimensional reality? What if time, space, and matter behave differently elsewhere? Could that explain the mysteries of dark energy or the strange behavior of quantum particles? And what if, just what if, we are not observing this other universe, but it is observing us? Some theorists propose that such a breach could be a two-way mirror. Information might be leaking across the divide. If so, then advanced civilizations in another universe might have already noticed something strange in their skies, just like we are now. NASA, meanwhile, is urging caution. Peer review is underway. Independent analysis of JWST's raw data is being conducted around the globe, but off the record, many scientists admit they are stunned. The universe is acting weird, and we may have just crossed the threshold into a completely new understanding of existence. This could be the beginning of a scientific revolution, or the greatest cosmic misunderstanding in human history. But whatever the outcome, we cannot deny one truth. The James Webb Telescope has changed the game forever. It has pulled back the curtain on the deepest parts of the cosmos, and perhaps, just for a moment, allowed us to glimpse the unimaginable. So now the question echoes louder than ever. What did we just see? Is it a fluke of light? A glitch in space-time? Or did we, through the lens of our most powerful machine, just witness another universe? And more importantly, are we ready to face what lies beyond?